Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So excited to have you all here. Hope everybody's doing very great. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, welcome to Visual Communication and Media for week 6. Last week, keep in mind the end of the course is actually Friday this week. So please make sure if you have any remaining work turned in by Friday. That way I can grade it, make sure everything's good. I'm going to try and get done with your grades by Wednesday for this week. So that way I can just focus on your grades for the weekend and everything should be good. Other than that, just keep in mind, lectures same time as always, Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central. Last day to turn in week 6 work is Friday the 15th, and last day as well for any missing work as well. All right, but this week we're going to be focusing on ethics, and visual communication, ethics overall, the visual stereotypes, and how they shape perception. We're also going to talk about digital alteration ethics, permission to use images, understanding the social impact, and regulations on ethical elements, especially with visuals and videos specifically. But yeah, we'll get into it. We'll talk about all those different elements and really get into specifics. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, everybody. Hope everybody has a great week, and hope to see you for a lecture on Tuesday. Talk about some ethical situations, and that should be awesome. All right, everybody, enjoy. Take it easy. Bye-bye.